Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ghost Host Kitchen, where today we'll make a delicious and easy air fryer chicken breast. This recipe is perfect for a quick and easy dinner and can be used to make various dishes, such as a flavorful chicken sandwich. First, we'll start by prepping our chicken breast. I like to use boneless, skinless chicken breast for this recipe as it cooks quickly and is a healthier option. Then, we'll marinate the chicken in a mixture of buttermilk and pickle juice for several hours. This air fryer chicken breast recipe up a notch. You can dredge your chicken breast in a mixture of egg and flour seasoned with garlic powder, paprika, and salt. This will add an extra layer of flavor and texture to the chicken, making it crispy and delicious. To do this, simply whisk together an egg in a shallow bowl, and in a separate bowl, mix together flour, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Dip each chicken breast into the egg mixture, making sure it's fully coated, and then coat it in the flour mixture. Once the chicken is coated, place it in the air fryer and cook it as directed. The flour coating will help the chicken get a nice crispy exterior, while the spices will add a delicious savory flavor. This dredging step is completely optional, but highly recommended if you want to take your air fryer chicken breast to the next level. Next, we'll place the chicken breast in our air fryer and cook it for about 15 to 18 minutes until it's fully cooked and juicy. While the chicken is cooking, we can prepare our easy sriracha mayo recipe by mixing mayonnaise and sriracha. This spicy and tangy sauce is perfect for adding an extra kick to our chicken sandwich. Once the chicken is done, we can assemble our chicken sandwich by placing the chicken on a bun and spreading our homemade sriracha mayo. This chicken sandwich is packed with flavor and is an excellent option for a quick and easy dinner. And if you're looking for a delicious side dish to pair with your air fryer chicken breast, I highly recommend some crispy tater tots. You can bake them in the oven as your chicken cooks for a perfectly crisp and crunchy side dish. This easy air fryer chicken breast recipe is perfect for a quick and tasty dinner. And with the addition of the easy sriracha mayo recipe and some crispy tater tots on the side, it's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.